Here's how to favorite and search for a world on Altspace. The first thing you can do is you can hit your menu button. First you have to enable Worlds Beta. So to do that you go to Settings, General, and then hit this button. Initially it's like this, and you got to press this button to switch it on, and then you'll see it will be available. Then you go to Worlds Beta, and these are worlds that are active at the moment with at least one user. So let's say you want to favorite this world that you're currently in, which is my multi-trader room. What you do is you go through these pages, you'll eventually find the world. So here it is, Timon's multi-trader world. Then you'll hit Info, and then you'll click on Favorite. And once you click Favorite, then it's very easy. All you do is you go back to your worlds. So you go Menu, Worlds Beta, and you'll find it under your favorites. The new way to favorite a world since Altspace did its update is on the radial menu. You'll see there is a button called You Are Here. So you just hit You Are Here, and then you favorite the world, and then you can go back to your favorites and go in any time. The second way to favorite and search for a world is you first log into your account by going to altvr.com. Once you've logged onto your account, then there are two ways that you can go to the Worlds tab. First, you can click on More, and you'll see there's Worlds, but sometimes you won't see Worlds. So what you'll do is you'll type over here, Worlds, and then Enter, and it will take you to this page. Once you're here, you then go to Search. And then you type in the world that you're looking for. So I'll type in my one, the Greek Taverna. Click Search, and then you'll find it. And then you can visit it now, or you can click the world that you want. And then right over here, you can click this and it will favorite the worlds. If you want to go into that world while you're here onto the website, hit the Enter Now button, open Altspace, and there we go. And here we are in the Greek Taverna, which you searched and favorited. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos just like these.